In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up auto buy on ETrade. Think of this as creating a simple schedule so your account invests for you on a regular basis. On ETrade, automatic investing works for eligible ETFs and mutual funds, not for individual stocks, and the minimum recurring amount typically starts at $25. Start by logging into your ETrade account. From the main navigation, head to Trading, then choose Automatic Investing. That page is where you create and manage your recurring purchases. Next, pick what you want to auto-buy. You can search for widely used ETFs like VOO, VTI, or SPI, or choose a mutual fund you prefer. If a symbol isn't eligible for recurring purchases, ETrade will indicate that, and you can select a different ETF or a mutual fund instead. Take a moment to confirm you've got the exact fund or ETF you want, since many tickers can look similar. Now select the account where these buys will happen. This could be your standard brokerage account or a retirement account, such as a Roth IRA. Choose the account that matches your goal because the account you pick determines how contributions and potential gains are treated for taxes. Enter the details of your schedule. Type in how much you want to invest, for example, $100, keeping in mind the $25 minimum. Choose how often you'd like it to happen, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and then set your start date. A consistent cadence is a straightforward way to dollar cost average, and picking a date that lines up with your paycheck can make budgeting easier. Note that if your chosen date falls on a market holiday or weekend, the order will typically process on the next trading day. Choose where the money will come from. You can use your cash balance inside ETrade or a linked bank account. Using your cash balance helps ensure the money is ready before the trade runs. If you use a bank, make sure funds are available and any transfers clear ahead of the scheduled buy to avoid delays. Before you finalize, review everything carefully: the symbol, the account, the amount, the frequency, the start date, and the funding source. Look for any fund-specific fees and make sure you're comfortable with the schedule. When it all looks right, click Submit. You'll get a confirmation and you can return to the automatic investing page anytime to view, edit, or cancel your schedule.